What is Practice Better and how does it work? If you're searching for a way to streamline your coaching, therapy, or health business, you're probably curious about Practice Better and if it's the right fit for you. Stick with me through this quick tutorial to get the full picture. I'll even share an exclusive deal that might just change your decision at the end. Let's dive in. Practice Better is a platform designed for professionals in health, wellness, and coaching to manage their business more effectively. It helps users handle scheduling, client management, payment processing, and more, all in one place. Whether you're a nutritionist, therapist, or a fitness coach, it offers tools that cater to different needs in the wellness industry. Next thing, let's talk about how it helps you manage your clients. You can easily track sessions, communicate with clients, and offer personalized plans. Practice Better also lets you set up automated reminders for appointments and follow-ups, making it a great option for busy professionals who need to stay organized without doing everything manually. The fourth thing you'll find useful is its payment features. Practice Better integrates with Stripe to handle client payments. This can save a lot of time by automating billing, so you don't have to manually chase payments or worry about overdue invoices. It also offers clients the ability to book directly through the platform, which can help reduce no-shows and missed sessions. But let's be honest, Practice Better isn't perfect for everyone. While it offers great features, there are some limitations. For example, its interface isn't the most intuitive, which can be a barrier if you're not tech-savvy. Plus, some users report issues with the reporting and analytics, which might be a deal breaker if you're managing a large number of clients or need detailed insights into your business performance. Now, let's look at an alternative that could be a better fit for certain goals. If you're looking for something more user-friendly with a more comprehensive suite of features, you might want to check out Alternative Software. It offers similar features like client management, scheduling, and payment handling, but it does a better job with user interface and reporting. So if you're looking for something more streamlined, this might be the right choice for you. Before I go, here's something exclusive for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an extended free trial of Practice Better, giving you a chance to test it out without commitment. But remember, I've also shared some great alternatives with better options for your specific goals, and they come with free trials too. These benefits are exclusive to you through our link, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link in the description to get started.